Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, dude. It's like driving up in Mammoth. It's just magnificent. Oh my God, look at San Gorgonio, guys. It's those big mountains beyond the little ones in front of us. Oh my gosh, just amazing. But we got cars behind us, not too close behind us, but so I can't really slow down too much because I'm a considerate driver.
Subscribe now.
But I just wanted you guys to see how unbelievably gorgeous it is. And yes, so we are in the Fawnskin area. Downtown Fawnskin will be up in just a moment. And I am going to try to shut up, guys. It's just every time I try to shut up, I see something else that looks gorgeous, or I start thinking about something, because my mind never shuts down. So I'm just going to shut up for now. Okay. And by the way, you guys, LAMP, that's the acronym for her name. She is one of our YouTube friends. She knows that I like to play music in the background, and unfortunately a lot of my videos get blocked worldwide when I put music in, and it's the most amazing videos ever. But the whole point is that LAMP, she actually like made some freaking music and said that I can use it without infringing on any copyright laws. So that's very cool. You're a sweetheart. I appreciate you big time. And I'm looking forward to playing that video. Or uploading a video with that music in the background. I don't know if you guys can really see, but through these trees, it's just a magnificent area right here. Oh man, just beautiful. Alright guys, so we are driving through downtown Fawnskin at the moment. Yes, at the moment. Oh, look at the snowplow, the snowblower. I like those things. I just get worried because I was worried that like if you suck up a pine cone or like something, what's gonna happen? I have a little snowblower, and actually this is the type of storm that I could have actually tried it out with, but I'm just too lazy to freaking do that. So anyway, let's see if I can shut up. I know it's going to be quite the test, guys. Let's see if I can shut up for till we get to the dam. Not one word. Unless it has to be spoken, then I'll be saying something like about look out that direction towards that particular, you know. Anyway. I lost you. Okay, San Gorgonio straight ahead at the very top up there, guys. I heard they have about 15, 16 feet of snow up there. Oh! All right. It's so beautiful. Oh shit, shut up, baby. Ooh. 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 Oh, cold hand, cold hand. Hey! Look at that, guys. That's Snow Valley straight ahead. That big white clump, that's Snow Valley. Way out in Running Springs. Had to talk, had to show you. Peace. Oh man, guys, this lake looks incredible. Holy wow. But you guys deserve it. You guys are worth it. And I know there's such thing as gloves. I know there is. No one behind us for miles, so we're just gonna go slow. All right, we're gonna go right here so you guys can see the road closed. with your own eyes. So obviously there's not going to be any traffic over here. This is going to be an amazing spot.